Welcome back to Mine and Mike's Woodshop. This is a weekly shop update for the week of April 1st. I think I'm going to change my name to the Dapper Don Woodshop. Huh? No, never mind. Well, I'm heading out to my cousin's wedding, and I thought as a nice thing, I would make her a word art. I don't know if you can really make that out. There you go. To put on her dais, or the main table, or I think it's called a dais. So that is finally complete. I worked on it during the week. Alright, so I'm back from the wedding. Next day. I had cut these out for my daughter. She complained that we did not have enough Easter decorations. So I came out, I went to Steve Good's website, and he has these free patterns you could download and cut. I did cut one more. Three of these four I posted up on my Instagram account. I gave the cross to my mom, so she liked it. So this week I'll be working in my daughter's room. We're moving rooms around again, and her it's a smaller room, so I'm trying to use up spaces. She has a loft bed. I will be building a desk to go under there with vanity area, possibly lights, LED lights in there for her. And in the closet, I'm going to be putting shelves, drawers, shoe rack, hanging area. So I will put up on my website the SketchUp file, and I'll write something up about it. I don't know if it's a standard across the board closet. I don't really even know, but I'll put the dimensions, and if anybody wants to use it, go right ahead. So watch out for that video, probably Thursday or Friday. I'm gonna try for Thursday, but it's a struggle to build stuff, complete it, and then do the editing. So hopefully that will be out. So this shirt this week is from Jared Hildabrant, Jared, aka Doc. I will leave a link to his social media down in the description below. Please check him out. Awesome guy. Alright, so it's time to pick the winner of the Makers Rock album art that I did of Guns N' Roses. The winner is Denise Overturf from D and Yams Woodworking. Congratulations, Denise. I will get in contact with you, and we'll get this shipped out this week. So congratulations to all the all the winners. There was only one winner. Congratulations to D, and thank you everyone for for entering the giveaway. I believe there was 49. I think it's 49 entries. So it's a pretty good amount. And that's about it, I think. I keep saying that every week. That's about it. Sorry about last week's update. It was kind of touch and go with the camera. I tried a different camera that I never looked at the audio on or hooked up my external mic to, so hopefully this one's better, and going forward I'll make sure I use the correct camera. But that's it. Yeah, I haven't cleaned this up yet. I have to clean it up this week or tomorrow because I gotta cut some plywood. So thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and as always, be safe.